So babe, I love you. You are one man who I admire. I admire your hard work. I admire how you push us, because as a man you need to really push your family, and you have done that.
I love you so much. You know you mean the world to me. And may God bless you. May God increase you. May God answer all your heart's desires.
Hello there, it's your girl Jackie Ogaga reporting for Obina TV updates. And guys, guess what? Because I'm talking to Lane Train. Sijui mbona mmeka apart.
Hata mimi intro imenibamba. Hello guys, it's your girl.
Nikali.
Hey guys, my name is Mesh.
My name is Nina and
sisi ni wapendwa. Na leo tuko na Jackie. Hebu tuambieni kwanza tunakaaje manzi.
By the way,
rate our looks.
Down there. How do they look?
Out of 10, how do we look, guys? Tumejaribu leo kabisa ama tumegonga nje.
Let me say, let me tell you guys look good.
Thank you.
Out of 10, Nina, I give you a 10. Imagine. 10. 10 out of 10.
Ama njaka kakitu makeup.
No, he's looking good. He's looking good, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Unajua inakonga awkward ukiambiwa you looking good with a lady na demu yako na wife yako hajakuambia. Haya.
Mbona unaongea hivyo babe? Surely I told you look good.
No.
Haki unaniaibisha.
Unajua niambia nini? Harakisha tunachelewa.
Haya, okay my love, you look good.
You too.
Nilikuwa nataka ende kwa nilikuwa nikwambie.
Kwenda ulikuwa umejua tutafanya interview leo.
Nilijua, so it's surprise.
Tusafishe, you look good my esposa.
You look good my love.
I love you so much. Hebu tuende kwanza sasa hivi kutie moyo.
Interview simeisha.
No, we just starting. So how are you guys with there?
We are good. We are blessed. We are highly favored. God has been so good to us. Tumetoka mbali, wenye wanajua story yetu wanajua mali tumetoka. So we are really so grateful for where we are right now. Yes. God's blessings all over us.
Oh yeah, nice. Maybe Mesh atuambie ako aje.
Okay. Nipatia mbi. Mimi manzi nateseka. I need help. Anyway guys, I'm okay guys. Nitawaambia mkiona na blink twice. Unjoni niko matatani. But I thank God I'm okay. God has been good to us. Ametupatia uhai, upendo. Kuna time tulikuwa tunasumbuana. Sasa tumeacha ku argue sana my love. We are doing it. Umeacha kubishana. When I talk you wait.
I listen.
Niongee ni malize.
Yeah, I'm more understanding, you know. Hata usiponifanyia vitu na naelewa.
Ngoja. Sasa hii imetoka. Are you materialistic?
Tumekuja hapa nini? Tumekuja therapy kwa Jackie.
Okay, me I'm okay.
Okay.
We are good lakini we thank God.
Nina, you've mentioned like journey, like imekuwa napanda shuka, but you guys are keeping on, mna press on. By that yesterday ndio tulikuwa tunaongea story yenu, me and Tumbili, and Tumbili was like, I remember kina Nina from way back nini. Yeah. Maybe what's this one thing in your journey yenye you guys amwezi sahau?
We hatuwezi sahau mali God ametutoa. Like we've really been through a lot of rejection, a lot of challenges, but yani God's favor has always been on us. God's grace, God's mercy. And tumekuwa tu reminded every time that
Nina anajifanya kwa serious.
But life iko hivyo.
Hebu tuadigaga tuone kitu.
Taking it serious. Mzee kwangi serious by the way, don't mind him. So what I always remember is yani God amekuwa with us since day one, because you know kuna time tulikuwa chini kabisa, and just remembering that God alituambia, you know, I'm your God, I'm your father, and you can always count on me. For us, we feel like life iko tu sawa, like with God's assurity that it's gonna be okay. That's all that we need. So mimi nikikumbuka kama God ametutoa, I'm like, oh gosh, yeah, everything is fine.
And maybe what's this one thing yenye mlikapitia yenye huwezi sahau?
Kwa marriage ama kwa life?
Ukiwa na Nina?
After tumemarry ama before?
Yeah. Generally. From the time you met him.
Yeah, I think kukosa do ina boingi manze. Yeah, so I think hiyo ndo time ilikuwa ina bo. Ilikuwa una feel too rejected, una feel the last person always. Manze tutafutieni pesa wadau. Kukosa do ina bo, yani unasikianga uko udu. Yeah, so I think that was the worst. I'm not saying right now tumefika, but having to be able to meet our needs hapa na pale, you know, buy some few things for ourselves. I think, you know, looking back, your part ya kukosa do was like the worst thing ever. Yeah.
Of course, you guys mmeongea kuhusu kukosa do, and we saw you best, you're very good friends, Amili na Kabi pale walikuwa na battle hapo, hiyo story ya bibi ya tajiri. Maybe so far how do you take it? Unataka kuitwa bibi ya tajiri or you're comfortable?
Oh my God, I think kila mtu ako na journey yake. So I think our journey is very different. Actually, they are our mentors and we love them so much. And honestly, wametufunza a lot. They're the most hardworking people we've ever seen. And actually, I feel like God mali amewaeka wako tu sawa kabisa. Wako tu sawa. I think unajua they are best of friends. That's why at times unapatanga kuna such videos ina happening. I think Millie was not even that serious when she was saying that, because I believe their marriage is one that everyone looks up to. They have the best marriage, honestly, may feel, because wanakuwa wameka God kwanza, and they think they have all they need right now. So I think any bibi, she's the most loved woman in East Africa, Millie. So I think she has everything.
Not you?
Guy, me where am I? But the babe me no how many wapi kwa hii nini maisha.
Na feel kama unataka kunichomea msimu huu.
No, umenieka wapi? Millie is the most, Millie wa Jesus is the most loved woman in East Africa. Mimi umenieka wapi?
Oh my God. Sasa ni mashindano. Sasa imekuwa ni mashindano sasa.
No, but then actually Jack, you've made me actually think about it. Like honestly, where have you placed me? Ama mimi ni wakuginyana kunga bibi wa kungangana.
Acha nikwambie, who are you? You're my forever.
Okay, ndio na sauti poa, so we can take that.
Maybe sometimes in life ungependa kugrab that title.
Well, for me, let me tell you what I'd love. The day I'll go nitatoka kwa hii dunia, naweza penda watu wanikumbuke as this lady who brought people to Christ. Honestly, that's the legacy I want to leave, like with my story, with music, with anything that I did or anything that I said, it brought people to Jesus. That is what I'd like to be remembered for. Because again, inakwanga, even the word of God says, seek ye first the kingdom and the rest shall be added unto you. So if you seek, everything else itakuwa added. Utakuwa bibi tajiri, utakuwa na all the things that you need. But again, what is the main thing that you're doing here on earth? What is the main purpose? For us, we're ministers of God. And what we are doing right now is trying to bring people to Christ, telling them the good news, telling them that huku kwa Yesu kuna raha. So for me, that is what I'd like to brag about. Jesus. I stood for Jesus to the end.
Maybe apart from the Jesus family, which other couple do you admire and why?
So was it late last year or ilikuwa which year babe when we met Dominion family? 2 years ago or a year ago, we didn't have friends. So there's this group of couples that we met, Dominion family, and so we are part of a group called Dominion family. We are 6 couples. So honestly, I'd say these couples, they really do inspire us, honestly, with the way they love God, the way they treat each other. For me, I love Dominion family, like all of the other 5 couples. Me, I love them so much. I think they're the people who we look up to, honestly, because most of them actually wameka so many years together. Like the Kamores wanaingia 10 years in marriage. There are others wako like 6-7 years. PKs kina nani anaitwa nani Wadosi, the Dhukus, wote like wameka kwa marriage. And for us, we are young, tuko hapo like sisi tunaingia tuko 4 years now. So we emulate them sana. So I think the Dominion family for us. Yeah.
And for you?
Yeah, Dominion family. Wame to push. Those guys are just amazing. At times we fight, we quarrel, we get back together, and I love them. I love how they love God. I love how they lead their lives. Yeah, I love them. Except hakuna. I love them. I just love.
Listen, but we don't judge.
Moving on swiftly.
But Rach.
Unafumbaia
nafaa kutafutia rich dress ya black. Watu wanasemanga ati hatupendani na rich. Fani mtafutie dress ya black and sequin. Sindio? But anyway, I'm kidding. So I love them all, yeah.
Moving on swiftly, we've known your journey in the music industry for so long. Mmekuwa mkifanya poa, hits after hits, and recently you did one yenye kidogo imetetemesha mtandao. How was it? Like the shooting, the recording?
Wow, actually hiyo song imetushtua sana. I think in almost like a day ilikuwa 500,000.
Oh, yeah.
Yani in one of the songs that we've done, and it's very emotional for us, and it's because it's very ntasemaje, it's a step of faith. Like for us, our life inakuanga tu stepping into faith and the crazy faith. So this video was one of those, and we were trying to we dressed as our miracle. That's the whole concept of the video. Yeah. So we're trying to show zile as much as hatuna hiyo ball, because we're in that journey of trying to get a child, we are manifesting and we are dressing it until it happens, and we're believing it will happen. In fact, it has happened vile tu haija manifest, like ijajionyesha bado. So that was the whole concept. So for us it's very deep. For those who understood the concept, it's a very deep and spiritual one. Yes. And so for us it's a very special song. Yani hii song, it's very special. Like amefanya. And for you to understand it, zile amefanya but atuyoni, but in the spirit ashaifanya. So ni wewe sasa we embrace na we manifest into your life. So amefanya is on our YouTube channel Wapendwa Muziki. You can go and watch it. Road to 1 million. And we are really so grateful for the love and the support, the encouraging messages, because hii journey imekuwa ya sisi wote. Ni kama mtoto ni wa sisi wote. Hata kuna time honestly I released I was like, you know what Nina, this baby is not yours. Like the moment atakuja mtoto ni wenu, like nimewapatia, because this journey has been of everyone praying for us, calling us, encouraging us. So this song is for all of us to know that indeed God amefanya na atazidi kufanya, and even if you've not seen it, keep on having that crazy faith and dress like your miracle. If you want to be whoever it is you want to be, dress like it, believe it, and it will happen. So that's all about that song. Yes.
Maybe Mesh anaweza tuambia pale how much did it cost, because pia we saw your friends come through, there were Jesus the Dominion family walikuja in the shooting.
Yeah.
It cost how much?
So ilikula so let me see, I think deco, DJ, sound, the ground, our outfits, the convoy that we had, the shooting, my lights, oh my Jesus, tell me 500,000.
Yeah, roughly there.
Yeah, thereabout. Yeah. That I can't remember.
Because actually this one was also a very first event. We have never done also our anniversary. We never celebrated. Sisi birthday tunaonga tu low key, like we don't really do much. So this time we said, what if we really celebrate, because tumetoka mbali, 12 years together, 4 years married. That's a big deal. So we were like, what if we do something? Yala si tutasemanga, hey, one day we did. Unajua vile ya kujen, at least one day you tried to do this, because we've been saying we want to do an event, we've been saying we want to do concerts, and this year we're gonna do a live with Wapendwa concert. This year we are doing it. So this one was like a jump starter. That's why we did it, na tukasema what if pia we incorporate the whole music video with our friends. So yeah, that's why we did it. So hiyo ilikuwa ni kama investment. But siwaambie msia concentrate. This dude is not concentrating. But anyway, for us it was an investment. So wasenyo tashtuka, you need to really invest in what you want. For us that was a jump start. Like we are now, by the guys, we're gonna do so much music, so much content is coming, more about us. You're gonna be experiencing us in a very different and unique way. So get ready for Wapendwa Muziki. Yes.
You've spoken about the good side of it. Maybe are there challenges that came up when you were doing the whole thing?
Wow, kuko sana. I think so babe, acha tuseme tu kweli, uliniachia event nipange peke yangu.
Me, I only said black and sequin is hard to get. Akaget ati nimemsema tusifanye black and sequin. I just said it's hard to get.
No, you see.
So when people call and say we are not getting it, you go easy on them, you tell them okay, don't worry, keep getting.
I don't think so. Let me tell you, for me, as I was planning this event, there was something I wanted. I had a vision for this event. I wanted it to be glam, luxurious, elegant. Okay, so when I gave this idea to my husband, unajua mimi anaanga nikana overdoing things like hata hii design hizi nguo, everything about me nakwanga tu like extra. So for the event there was something I wanted, but for him he was like, oh unajua tuko na time, but then we planned this event for like a week. A week. So he was like, oh kuna vitu zingine itabidi umeachana nazo because people will not be able to get like outfits and all that. So I was like, no, this is our event, kuna vile nataka ikae, wacha niwaambie mwenye atakosa like angangane hadi apate, akikosa like tutaelewa, but tuseme ati oh usivae hivi ati because ati hawatapata. No. So that one was a challenge. My husband was a challenge in planning this event. He was really discouraging me, but later after event imekuwa successful, hey, hadi anataka kunitumia M-Pesa, ninamwambia no, you just relax. You need to always support your wife when she wants to do big things. Women empowerment.
No, let me explain myself. So me, I only said black and sequin. Unajua sequin ni nini? You see? Yeah, black and no, black and sequin in a week, to get black and sequin. Na isikuwe silver is hard. I only said that. And I said, na feel ni sawa tufanye, but watu wakiteta, oh we can't get black and we can't get sequin, tuelewe. That's all I said. Tukakosana, but okay sawa. Thank you for planning the whole event. But she's a really good planner. Yeah. Anaweza jipangia, yani anakunga hiyo, acha nimpe. If I was a challenge next time, so what should I do? Ninyamazange tu.
So unajua kama unajua kufanya kitu, achia tu wale unajua kufanya wafa.
So I keep quiet.
So you okay, just encourage me. Hata kama ungeniambia si poa, like ungeniambia in a nice way, like uniambia babe, I understand that you want this event to be beautiful, but hii siku unaona ni kama itapatikana. Mimi naamini kwambia what I feel and life ikwe poa.
Next time ukitaka kuweka event hata watu wavae ngozi ya kondoo, ni sawa, mimi nakusupport. Wavae nini? Wavae ngozi ya tiger.
Thank you.
Na viatu za mamba.
I really, you know what? I really appreciate that.
Yeah, what else? Can we bring heavens down to dine with the angels?
Just take over interview visually.
You know, as much as I like to support you, kuna vitu si realistic.
Sasa ona.
Okay, sawa.
Ni support. Let's just leave it at that.
Nina, you've spoken about like you addressing your miracle. Numesema miracle ishafanyika, ni tu haijaonekana na meaning what you're trying to tell us, kuna kitu ama?
So if you're a spiritual person, you'll understand. For me, I already have this baby. You know, when we started looking for a baby, because it's been 1 year now, when we started that journey, for real it was very challenging and frustrating. Unajua hiyo kutafuta kitu na upati, you get tired and all that. So kuna time nilikuwa na feel vibaya honestly, especially because of the trolls again kwa social media. I've really been trolled. Wase wananicall, wananitumia ma message, na unasikia tu mse ana tu in good intentions. They just want to discourage you. So I used to really feel bad. But nikajiambia no, you know what? God's timing is the best, as they always say. And even the word of God encourages us and tells us, you know what, just leave it all to God. Leave all your burdens to Jesus. Yeah. So for me, I said, you know, I'm going to have this baby by force. I'm going to declare and decree I have it. And wait on God to now manifest it. Like sitaanza kujihurumia ama kulialia anymore. And that's why me I'm encouraging myself with that. That's why even I dressed my miracle. For you to dress like that, like uko na ball na hauna, honestly it takes a lot of strength, a lot of courage. Because me I want a baby so badly, let me tell you, so badly. Like ile naonyeshanga wase is not enough. Like me, I really cry to God, but he has really been encouraging me. The Holy Spirit has been encouraging me daily, and ananiambia, you know what, my daughter, I am the one with this story. Mtoto si wako, first of all, accept that. Hiyo nimekuambia. And so I will give you this baby at my own special time. And when I do it, it's going to be so special, you'll not even understand. For me, that is so encouraging. Like God aliniambia kitu nikasema, wow, God, cause mtoto ni special. Let me tell you, this baby is so special. Let me niliachia God, babe, aki niliambia God, you know what? This baby yenyewe si wangu. Kuna venye anangojewa hivi. This one is special.
Maybe how's the feeling, cause si nyinyi pekee. Umejua most of the times it's always couples waiting for the baby, but it's like the whole world is waiting for this baby. How's the feeling?
Honestly, it's really beautiful. Let me tell you, the many people who call me, Aki guys, I really love you all so much. Do you know kuna comments ufanya actually babe ananionanga nalianga almost daily, guys texting and saying aki God mi naomba tu mi usinipe pea Nina, like I've had 2 kids now, it's enough, give Nina the rest. Any mtu mwenye amekario burden yako guys, yani umeingia kwa history yetu in such a special way, and I will never take you guys for granted, and I can't wait for God to actually do it and for us to testify and sing ona vile amefanya Mungu ni yeye amefanya Mungu. We're gonna sing this song together. So for me, I'm enjoying this whole journey. It's very special to me. Very.
Anakuadmire. And of course, Mesh, we saw obvious lazima we find the negative people kwa social media, and they were mad like why do you do that when you guys maybe hamna ball and like people were just talking. Yeah, how did you take all those trolls?
I think some people what can I say?
They didn't understand.
Yeah, these are matters of the spirit. Yeah, so some people might not understand, but those people who do, I know they know what we did there, and I'm sure most of them, some of them even did that day. And if you have not, I encourage you to do that. Dress your miracle, whatever it is you're believing God for. Behave as if you already have it. If you want to own a car or end at driving school, like just be that thing even before Aija manifest. So that's what we did there, and we know for sure, guy, this is one day we are gonna come here and tell you kwanza tutakuwa tunavaa zinitangwa hizo zinaonyesha tumbo
maternity dresses.
Kai.
By the way, it's happening this year.
Na vile anakaa vizuri
akitaka.
You're so sure there's something you're not telling us.
No, for real. Unajua me, I walk in faith. But our faith is crazy. We were given a free wedding. Sisi tumekuwa tukiishi in faith. Everything about us imekuwa hivyo. We were given a free wedding. We've been living in faith kabisa. Us, the only thing we do right now is just ministry. So see what tunakula aje, how do we survive, how do we dress like this? It's only God. So that's why I'm saying this year I'm gonna carry a baby. Amen. Or I'm going to announce this year for sure it's happening.
And of course there were Pendwa. The music journey has guys, I'm doing interview lakini hawa anyway. We listen but we don't judge.
Like,
we see but we don't judge. You've mentioned that there's a concert of Wapendwa music happening this year.
Yes.
That's only maybe one thing. Maybe any other thing that you guys are planning to do so far?
Wow, so wase wamekuwa kisema atutoi a lot of music, and it's cause kuna time ilifika we started sharing a lot, we started doing vlogging, tukaingia kwa influencing, so balancing kidogo ikakuwa challenging. But this year we are promising that we're gonna do more music, cause unajua for us it's a gift, like imedrop any heaven dropped gift from God. So we're gonna do a lot of music this year, like a lot of music, because we've tumelewa that most of our music ikwangi hata even about entertaining sana, it's more on healing, like kuna say to text unatuambia I listen to your song and saizi nimepona, like literal miracles and testimonies zenye tuna receiving are very powerful, and so we're going to take music even more serious this year. So keep on supporting us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. All those encouraging words, by the way, they really mean a lot. Huwa zinasaidia sana, by the way. Kuingia studio ikwangi that easy, the whole logistics, the video and all that, but for us this year we're gonna make sure we give you back to back music, all for God's glory. Yes.
And maybe as we winding up, meongea kuhusu love sana, like we sing it ni kama like I even don't know how to explain it. Maybe Mesh to Nina, is there this one thing that ungependa aache kufanya? And also Nina, tamwambia.
Hallelujah. So tuache kunyimana. Juu unajua saa zingine ni tricky, unataka mtoto alafu haufanyi the nitty gritties. So naweza penda tuangalie to check on that.
Nina jameni.
But then that's not even fair. But then it's not. By the way, it's true when they say men vitu mbili wanapenda ni food and that other one. Because I don't know, like, but for you guys, I really wonder, like, in the breakfast, lunch, snack. I know
we are
we are human beings and we need
Personally,
rest.
sidai.
Even God rested. No, but that's what he says. But honestly, men, Aki, you need to change. Like, rest is important. After jule pia we need to miss each other. Na njoo kuna kale kakupea na break, at least ni kumiss, ni kutama. Like, honestly, no, Aki, no, please.
Shida inakonga nini?
Ile break tu.
Ya nini? Ushaenda break.
Ya kutulia kidogo, like,
ushaenda break
kuona nianze kuhepa, I'm like, why are we go again?
Si basi twende break kukula. Twende break kulipa tokens. Twende break nini ingine Netflix to see. Twende break 2 months. Why are we going on a break on that particular thing?
I think this is what we're going to talk after the interview. We're going to tell you. Nateseka. Okay, we're going to talk about this after the interview. Okay.
And Nina, to him, what's this one thing ungependa like ache this 2025?
I feel like he lectures me a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the baby really
But in
like.
social media, like people say it's the vice versa.
I don't know why they say that.
Narrative. No, it's you stop lecturing me.
Okay, for me I always talk na kwanga opinionative and all that. Okay, naongelele in terms of, unajua he's the man and kuna mali anataka tufike. So kuna time yani ananichangamshanga sana, like unakuanga na too much energy, so you want things to be done faster nini enda unasahau by the juu. Okay, sisi watu tunafanya music together, like we do little everything together. So lazima vitu pia zi happen, as much as tunapendana lazima pia chapness. So I think kuna tema nipelekanga mbio sana. Okay, which is a good thing. Hata sijui niseme aje, but na feel upunguze at times. Kwa time sawa mingi mimi ni bibi yako unaanza kunitreat kama brother. Unaanza kuniambia babe changamka. Twende huku we. Unasahau I'm your wife. Hata unakosa kunishika mkono at times. I think you need to change on that. Yeah.
One a love sentence to your beautiful wife.
I love you so much. You're the apple of my eye. Apple in my eye. Nakwangaje. But of my eyes. I love you so much. You know you mean the world to me. And may God bless you. May God increase you. May God answer all your heart's desires. I love your eyes. I love your nose, your lips. I love your vibe. Unakuanga na vibe yani. Nakutaka tu yani, nakumiss kabisa, nakupenda kabisa. You're everything to me and I'd like to do this forever. Isikuwe tu one of. Manze tukachap, tukonge tuna meet nini. Ndio tukonge tuna. I love how you're so intentional with our marriage. At times nakumbuka kuna time nilikuwa na feel ku give up. Nitafute kameri mahali. But you were so intentional, you fought for this marriage. Yani I love the way you love God. I love the way you're serious with our life. I love the way you push us to do big things. I love the way you remind us of our dreams, of our ambitions, our visions. Unatukumbusha yani, babe, bado, we need to keep going. This is not the end. I love that about you. I love your figure. Sikuizi umefura yani, sikuizi unabamba. God akubless tu sana. Na kudai manze na one love manze. Kimoja.
Wow, that was so lovely. You're not telling something.
Wow, babe, I really love you so much too. More than you do actually. By the way, Nafa up your game on the love. Yeah. But honestly, I really, mimi na feelingi ni kama my love for you is so strong hadi nayogopanga.
Prove it.
Aje, nafa kuprove aje?
Ile story tumetoka kuongea.
Asio tumesema tuongee after this ama? Sawa. So anyway, babe, please focus. So babe, I love you. You are one man who I admire. I admire your hard work. I admire how you push us, because as a man you need to really push your family and you have done that. I feel like I have a man in my life. Silingi ni kama niko na kafukuswi. Kama ile, last year how I said, though tulimalizana hiyo, si ndio? Tulimalizana. Baby, you're not a kafukuswi, like I always say. Nowadays, you have grown to being this great man who is pushing us to the very best like unatakanga tufike tu kwa the best of things, you know. You work so hard for us and I'm really so happy to have you in my life. You're the best husband. I love how you love me unconditionally, even hata kama kwa time nakusumbuanga. I'm so stubborn. You always vumilia me, you know, kwa time saki kukuona sijui nimeboeka, kujua man introvert nakujikalisha but unanielewa. I just love you and I honor you. Manze, I love that hairstyle. Napenda hiyo kichana yako vunangangana kila saa kuchana nywele. Like, it really makes me feel so good. I love your smile. Hey, check your smile. Hey, hizo macho. Like, you just look, by the way anakuanga na ile height American, like the American height. You're so handsome and just so yummy. Like, I just love being around you. Your vibes, you always make me laugh. Oh my God, thank you for buying me land. But then he bought me land, Juicy.
Wow.
My own land under my name. Like, for a man to do that, to buy you, and it's not just one, like he bought me 2 pieces of land under my name. For a man to do that, it means, honestly, I've really been the best of... Honestly, it means I've really been a good wife and I have loved you. I have been the best. Honestly, for a man to sacrifice... We sacrifice kwa mtu mwenye anakufanyia vitu mbaya. But they, for real, you need to. But anyway, babe, I love you so much. And I can't wait for forever, for us to lose teeth together. I can't wait.
Itabamba, yani nyoni tukishrabu kio mzee. Tutazeka pamoja. Hebu imagine tuko na watoi tunawashautia. Come please. What's wrong?
Tunaimba rumba hapo.
Tunaimba rumba.
Tunaimba hata tukiwa wazee.
Nashindwa kujizuia.
Nashindwa kujizuia. Kuna kitu nataka niseme. Kuna kitu lazima niseme.
Mamu, najua unanipenda pia mimi nakupenda. Ila nimekosa jinsi ya kukueleza. Ndo nimekuletea kazawadi monamo. Ai mamu, mimi nishakuelewa. Tulia kwa ngongo na tekifumbia. Nitakosa ndo upate mapepi. Tajinyima unenepe.
Na nenepa
mabebi. Ukinikosea mimi nitasema pole.
Yeah, so guys, that was one-on-one with
Sisi ni wapendwa. And we are here with Jackie.
Tafuta me and my man tukuje mtupe notes.
Okay.
Sawa. Mapenzi.
Za mapenzi.
Okay.
So we need to have like a date together.
Yeah, true.
Couples
Yeah.
date. Sawa.
Yeah, we will for sure.
Yeah.
So guys, that was one-on-one with Nina and Mesh. They were Pendo Muziki. Till next time. Bye bye.